Yeah.
Why you only get one, man?
That's the way it goes.
Don't subscribe to Triple M the brand.
All right. Instagram. I'm on the wrong thing. I'm the dummy that put the wrong thing.
Well, let's start over.
YouTube. Today's thing I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox and show you and give you my honest opinion and product review of these, the Wahl Retro T-Cuts. These were a very slept on clipper in the industry right now. I know everybody's excited for the cordless Andis outliners and also the cordless seniors. But these right here, I'm going to explain to you what the deal is with these and why or why not you should have a pair of these. Here we go. This is the original box that they come in. So I'm going to unbox this. You take the box off, then you crack them open. Boom. Take this little styrofoam piece of nothing out of here. Nobody ever uses that. And they first come like this. And they come with this little guard protector thing on. There's usually this little thing right here. Then it says Wahl Retro T-Cut. Then there's this base and the plug-in part. Then it comes with these guards that nobody ever uses. These guards out here. And then of course your manual. Barbers, please read your manual. Please read. I know we're a little lazy. We take this manual, we just pitch it to the side. Please read your manual. This is very important. This is why a lot of you guys are burning through your clippers and you're not liking them because you lose your cords. It specifically says in here, keep the same cord that comes with it. Don't try to do any other cord or whatever because there's cords that are specifically designed for these clippers. So please, barbers, read this manual. One of the first initial charging, it says that you have to charge them for 16 hours. So please don't get them the day that you think you're going to need them and then you're going to use them that day. 16 hours, barbers. I know we all get a little antsy and impatient. So the first initial charge, 16 hours. And then, then you're on the go. So I'll put all this back in the box and then we can get on our way. All right, let's put that down there. So the first thing that you notice when you get them, these are a very light clipper. These are very light. The originals of these, this is pretty much close to the original corded version of these. What I do like is that it has this, if you can see it, it has this deep tooth T blade on here. I love the deep tooth blade, especially when I'm cutting straight hair clientele or curly hair clientele, because that gives me the ability to not have to chase the little stragglers or trace the little running hairs. This is very good for doing that. This is also comes factory set. It is factory set straight out the box. It will definitely hit on little kids. Of course, if you want, you can zero gap them. Me personally, I'm a little heavy-handed, so I don't always zero gap my clippers. If you can see, I don't know if you can kind of see that, but mine are just about touching. They're not necessarily all the way at the top, but they're not necessarily always zero gap, but they're just about touching. The price point for these are basically right around about 40 or 50 bucks. Now, in my opinion, for that price point, these are definitely worth the buy. For 40, 50 bucks, these are definitely worth the buy. If I had to compare them to anything, I would compare them to these, which are the Slimline Pros. Me myself, I love Andis. But Wahl is slowly creeping up to become my second favorite clipper. These right here are definitely my number one hitters. I've used these on everything. These also have the deep tooth blade. What I do like about these versus these is this blade is a little wider, so I don't have to necessarily take as many swipes at getting a line put in versus putting these in. So what I'll do now is I'll give you a little sound test of the two to see the power behind the two. Now this is the sound test for the retro T-cuts. You can hear that. That's the test for the retro T-cuts. They sound pretty strong. They feel very strong in your hand. You can literally feel the power. And you hear this for the Slimline Pros. They're a little quieter, but they are definitely powerful. They are definitely some hitters. They are both comparable in weight. What I also like about these is the base. The base, it looks nice on your station. You put this in here, it looks nice sitting on your station. It doesn't take up that much space. It's, it's pretty much a good look on your station. If I had any cons about the base, when you click this in, there is no indicator light. There's no light here. There's no, this doesn't light up. There's no anything that says that these are charging. There's nothing that says, hey, these are charging, these are going to lose a charge or anything. So Wahl, if you could fix that on the next model or whatever, put something on it. I don't care if the Wahl lights up or anything. Just put something on it that lets us know that they're charging. Us barbers, we usually just, when I get done, I just drop them back on here anyway. They nice little click. That's how you know they're sitting in there. When you hear that click, that's how you know they're sitting on there, and they're always ready to go. So basically, in my opinion, these are a very good buy for the price. Like I said, they're the weight on them, they're very contour. You can maneuver around, especially when you cut little kids and you have people that don't want to sit still. Those guys that keep looking at you during different cuts. These are definitely good for that. I like the T-wide blade. Like I said, the T-wide blade is definitely good for taking less swipes at a client. This doesn't irritate your client that much. This doesn't, you don't have to keep digging and digging and digging trying to get that crisp line. If you set these right, these are definitely like a tap and go kind of clipper. You just hit it, boom, you're off of it. And that's definitely what's gonna keep your client comfortable. Like I said, as far as the cons, please Wahl, please put something on there to let us know what they're doing. Let us know anything. Like put some light or whistle. I don't care what you put. Put something to let us know that they're they're definitely going to they're definitely charging. These are officially my second go-to. Now on my station, I have these. These are my initial first go-tos. These are definitely my close second go-to. So Wahl, if you would, put some type of charging indicator or something, I may be swayed to, put the Andis down and rock with Wahl. Hopefully, somebody will see this review and they'll take my concerns, and maybe we can persuade Wahl to put something on there. Once again, this is your boy Money Making Mitch. I'm taking these clippers. I'm taking you guys on a journey. I'm taking these clippers and I'm making this money, man. I got my own brand right here. If you can see this is definitely me right here. I put these clippers to work and I get this money. So follow me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You like this video, definitely give the video a thumbs up. I take any comments, concerns, from you guys. Help me to make the channel better. If you got some some cuts you want to see, some more products you want to review. Every so often I'll drop a clipper review on some lost and forgotten clippers that kind of got swept under the rug that I may think is or are a good clipper for the price point. Follow me on Triple M the Barber. That's TRIPLEM the Barber on Instagram. This is my name right here. This is me on YouTube, Money Making Mitch. You can definitely follow and subscribe on that. And until then, peace.